Every day, I see people building simple apps with AI, and somehow those apps are making millions of dollars. Not hype, not influencers, real apps, real users, real money. So I asked myself one question: why don't I build my own? And in this video, I actually try. This is not a get rich overnight video. This is real experiment. I'm not copying anyone. I'm not copying a code. I'm not hiring a team. I'm using AI and no code tools to build real app from idea to launch. And yes, I fully expect mistakes. Like most people, the first thing I did was go to ChatGPT and ask, give me micro SaaS ideas. And honestly, the ideas were okay, but not exciting, not proven, and not something people were already paying for. That is when I realized something important. Ideas are cheap. Real apps already making money are the real signal. Instead of inventing ideas, I started researching apps that already work in real life. Apps with real users, real reviews, regular updates, proven revenue. And that is when I found the app that changed everything. The app is called Info Symbol Receipt Maker. This app is making around $1 million every month. Not fancy AI startup, not viral porn, just simple invoicing and receipt app. That is when it clicked. Boring apps make insane money. I didn't want to copy this app. I wanted to understand why it works, identify the most important features, improve the features or users experience, add my own ideas. So I went back to ChatGPT, but this time with real context. I told ChatGPT what the app does, who it is for, what problem it solves, what features it already has. Then I asked it to restructure the idea, suggest better workflows, propose new features, create a clear build guide. AI didn't build the business for me. It helped me think faster and make better decisions. AI is a smart assistant, not the CEO. Once I had a clear plan, I moved to Lovable, one of my favorite no-code platforms. I love this platform. Lovable is my favorite. It's not sponsored this video. I pasted the full feature script into Lovable and I started building the app. Screens were generated, flows were connected, logic was created. When errors appeared, Lovable helped fix them. The process was simple but real. Build, break, fix, and repeat. That is the process I will do every time when I build mobile apps and SaaS. This was not a magic. Things broke. Some features didn't make sense. Some ideas were removed completely. AI speeds things up, but you'll still have to think. If you don't know what you are building, AI wants to save you. After multiple iterations, I had a walking app, clean interface, real features, premium feel. So I published it. Is it making $1 million a month? Not yet, but this is exactly how every $1 million a month app start. The lesson is not AI makes you rich. The real lesson is study real apps, solve real problems, build boring but useful tools, use AI to move faster, not hype, not shortcuts. In the next videos, I will improve the app, add better features, explore monetizations, share mistakes, show what actually matters step by step. If you want to follow this journey from idea to real product, subscribe to this channel. And if you found this video helpful, please like this video. Thank you very much. I will see you in the next video.